food and beverage services. This video I would like to show you kind of food and beverage services, but I only mention only one to show you this video. The different type of food service style: silver service style, plate service style, buffet service style, family service style, garden service style, salad service style, cocktail service style, and I include room service. Now you will see silver service style. One silver service style. In this method of serving style, these are presented and transferred to the guest plate using a service spoon and fork from the left hand side of the guest, while beverages are served from the right hand side. It is regarded as a formal service. This food service method is also called English service. Yes. The server moves counterclockwise while serving food. This kind of service is implemented in upscale restaurants. Now you will see this. Remember, use positive body language, use eye contact and smile to the guests. Walk slowly and steadily when carrying food. Silver service to the left of the customer. All service cutlery should be clean and polished. Hold the spoon and fork firmly. Serve the meal to the front of the plate. Serve other food into the customer plate neatly. Check water and wine level. Ensure the customer has everything they require before you leave. Serve from the oldest to the youngest female and then to the men. The host is served last. Now we move to the benefit of silver service. Increased option for customer. It's a more time efficient use of silver service. Substantial result value. Good and teach that many gradually appreciate in value. Increase social standing, which can have knock-on effect in terms of increasing your personal and business opportunity. Serve food by using spoon and fork to guest plate like this. Yes. And we serve the left hand of the guest. Okay, this video is finished. Thank you very much for watching.